I'm so funny,
I
right?
know, you're so funny.
And I have to.
Alright, so this is the front and this is the back. So we gotta put icing on here, okay? Okay, you wanna help me put the icing?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on.
What's that?
Snip the tip to a quarter opening. Okay. Yeah, you want to hold? You can squeeze one right here. Okay. And then
Just
another one.
make one. Mama, just make one.
Okay. Squeeze. Good job.
Mama, just make one.
Squeeze. Good job. You did a good job. Okay.
No putoy.
Yeah, now putai. Hold on. So you hold that one. Okay. You hold that piece. Hold it up like a monk, like this. Okay. You hold it, okay? Now we're gonna put the windows in. Putai. Okay. Hold it. Maybe this piece.
Now do.
Oh, no, you don't hold it.
Okay.
Okay, we didn't put enough frosting.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
We do it again.
Yes, we do it again. Just put a little more frosting, okay?
Okay. And we eat it.
No, we won't eat this. Okay. You gotta hold it, okay? We need your help, you need.
Okay.
We need your help to hold it. All right.
Leave it alone.
Yes. You can let go now.
And you do that? You hold it?
All right, so
The candies.
okay, and then now we gotta do the roof.
Where's the roof?
Excellent. You mean look what a good job you did.
Ooh.
Let's put some more icing right here. So it sticks. Okay, now we have to do the roof.
Roof?
Yep. And we have to put it like this. You see
Okay.
that?
Yes. And I do that.
Okay, so here, hold the bag. And then we squeeze. Okay, and then over here. Be careful. Squeeze. Okay.
That was funny.
Yes. Let's do
Do
this
it.
side. Ready? Squeeze and squeeze. Good job. Squeeze. Good job.
That was funny.
That was funny.
And I do that now.
Okay.
Okay.
And then you put it right on top, okay? Like this. Hold on. Let's make sure. So we do it together. Like this. Okay, so you put the tip right here. Good job, you're so good at this.